Tarang, Chhotisiduniya. So today we will learn phonic sounds in jungle theme. So let's start. A. A. The sound of A is A. 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 Ant. B. B. The sound of B is B. 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 Bear. C. C. The sound of C is K. 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 Cat. D. D. The sound of D is D. 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 Dog. E. E. The sound of E is A. 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 Elephant. F. F. The sound of F is F. 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 Frog. G. G. The sound of G is G. 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 Goat. H. H. The sound of H is H. 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 Hyena. I. I. The sound of I is I. 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 Iguana. J. J. The sound of J is J. 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 Jackal. K. K. The sound of K is K. 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 Koala. L. L. The sound of L is L. 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 Lion. M. M. The sound of M is M. 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 Monkey. N. N. The sound of N is N. 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 Nightingale. O. O. The sound of O is O. O. Owl. P. P. The sound of P is P. 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 Parrot. Q. Q. The sound of Q is Qu. 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 Quail. R. R. The sound of R is R. 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 Raccoon. S. S. The sound of S is S. 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 Snake. T. T. The sound of T is T. 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 Tiger. U. U. The sound of U is A. 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 Urchin. V. V. The sound of V is V. V. Vulture. W. W. The sound of W is V. 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 Wolf. X. X. The sound of X is X. X. Fox. Y. Y. The sound of Y is Y. 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 Yak. Z. G. The sound of Z is Z. 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 Zebra. If you like such videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.